They should be toning something. Why aren't they toning anything yet? There we go! Tropical storm warning. Oh my gosh, it's on my WR100s.
Tropical storm warning in effect. What? Southeast winds 35 to 45 knots with gusts up to 60.
Oh, they might be toning it over at AM/FM.
Bays and waterways
We have
from
Air 1
Baffin
and
Bay to Port
pipe changing
Aransas.
91.7
Coastal
ready.
waters from Baffin Bay to Port Aransas out 20 nautical miles, and waters from Baffin Bay to Port Aransas from 20 to 60 nautical miles. When? Tropical storm force winds possible from Monday afternoon.
Well, is it on my WR120? Nope.
Impacts. Very strong winds will cause hazardous seas which could capsize or damage vessels and reduce visibility. Mariners should alter plans to avoid these hazardous conditions. Remain in port, seek safe harbor, alter course, and slash or secure the vessel for severe conditions. A tropical storm watch
Okay,
is in
I'm
effect.
50ing something.
A storm surge watch is in effect, and a tropical storm watch is in effect for the following locations in Texas, Aransas, and Calhoun.
Oh, wow. Oh, double 1050. Y'all, I'm counting this. So that's my first doubleheader in person.
A storm surge watch is in effect for the following locations in Texas, Clayburgh, and San Patricio. The National Weather Service in Corpus Christi has issued a flash flood watch for a portion of South Texas,
Wow.
including the following